Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Hemanshu Vyas. Today we are diving into the AI hook creator software. If you are tired of making videos or writing posts that nobody clicks on, this is for you. The hook, stop losing views. This AI tool writes the perfect opening line in 5 seconds. Stick around because I am going to show you exactly how to use this tool to boost your engagement. AI hook creator software. This tool is designed to help you quickly grab people's attention. What it does, it writes attention-grabbing opening lines called hooks for almost anything you create. Examples: the start of a blog post, a YouTube video, or a presentation slide. Why you need it? A good hook makes people stop scrolling or keep watching or reading. How it works? It uses artificial intelligence (AI) to suggest engaging and interesting phrases based on the topic you give it. Benefit for you: you get catchy openings fast even if you are not a good writer. Video hook examples. Here are 3 different hooks the software could create for your video designed to make people click and watch. 1. Stop losing views. This AI tool writes the perfect opening line in 5 seconds. Focuses on a viewer problem and a quick solution. 2. Watch me write 10 viral video scripts in 15 minutes with one secret piece of software. Focuses on speed and high output. 3. My copywriting career is over. AI is now better at writing hooks than I am. Focuses on a surprising, provocative statement. We are tackling a question many of you might have. Why in the world would you need an AI hook creator software? Point 1. Stop the scroll. Get attention. People scroll very fast online. The AI quickly generates lines that are proven to make viewers/readers stop and look. Point 2. Overcome writer's block. Never stare at a blank screen again. The software gives you instant, fresh ideas for your opening, saving you time and frustration. Point 3. Scramble, no writing skills needed. You don't have to be a great writer. The AI handles the tricky part, crafting an engaging first line, so anyone can get a great start. Point 4. Smash HIF time and be faster. Instead of spending 30 minutes brainstorming one hook, the AI gives you multiple options in seconds, letting you publish content faster. Point 5. Nightmares and new styles. The AI suggests different types of hooks, questions, bold statements, statistics, helping you test new approaches and find what your audience likes best. Point 6. Increase engagement, views, or reads. A strong hook means more people will watch your video or read your article all the way through, which helps your content perform better on social media and search engines. How does it work? Using AI hook creator software is incredibly simple, no technical skills required. Just follow these easy steps. Enter your topic. Type your main idea or topic into the software. Be clear and specific for best results. AI generates hooks. The AI reads your input and uses patterns from millions of text to create engaging hooks tailored to your needs. Get multiple options. You receive several hook options to choose from, each designed to capture attention differently. Choose and customize. Pick the best one or tweak it to perfectly fit your unique style and voice. That's it. Top 10 AI hook creator tools. Here are the best AI hook creator tools available today, perfect for beginners and non-technical users. Jasper AI, best for high quality headlines, blog intros, marketing hooks. Availability, free trial. Copy.ai, best for quick social media hooks and advertising copy. Availability, free plan with limits. ChatGPT/Gemini, best for versatile hook styles with custom prompts. Availability, free version. Writesonic, best for audience-specific hooks with tone customization. Availability, free tier with limits. Ahrefs writing tools, best for blog intros and marketing copy. Availability free tool. Subscriber AI, best for YouTube hooks, titles and tags. Availability free. Tools. Wean.io, best for video script hooks and YouTube titles. Availability free trial. ECPC.ai, best for multiple hook types in various languages. Availability free account. Writer, best for budget friendly social media and email hooks. Availability free plan with limits. TubeBuddy/vidIQ, best for optimized YouTube titles and descriptions. Availability free versions. Start creating hooks today. Free or low cost, most AI hook creator tools are free or very affordable, making them accessible to everyone. Perfect for beginners. Ideal for small business owners, teachers, students, and anyone who wants engaging content. Grow your audience. Great hooks capture attention and help you connect with more people effectively. Remember, a great hook is the first step to great content. Try an AI hook creator today and see how it transforms your writing, videos, and presentations. Thanks for watching. I really hope this video was helpful, especially if you are a beginner who struggles with writing those crucial first lines. Remember, you don't need to be an expert to grab attention anymore. Give one of these AI tools a try. Most of them are free to start. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content to help you grow. Let me know in the comments which tool you are going to test first. Until next time, happy creating.